Good day, everyone. I'd like to share with you a live quick portrait sketching session I did at the Uniball booth during the last day of the Manila International Book Fair 2025. In this video, you'll see the step-by-step process of how I began the sketch using the unique KURU TOGA mechanical magic pencil. Why did I choose the KURU TOGA? Because unlike ordinary mechanical pencils, it has a unique self-sharpening mechanism. The lead rotates slightly every time you lift the pencil, which keeps the tip consistently sharp. This gives me smoother, cleaner lines, fewer breakages, and no uneven strokes. That's why it's a favorite tool for quick portrait sketching, where precision and flow are important. Here, you can see how I start with very light strokes to outline the eyes, nose, and shape of the face. Gradually, I build up the details and add shading. My tips when sketching with the KURU TOGA always begin with light strokes, so it's easier to adjust the proportions. Use the pencil's consistent line thickness to keep your drawing clean and refined. Since the lead rarely breaks, you can sketch faster and focus on capturing expression rather than correcting mistakes. These little techniques can make your drawing process more efficient and enjoyable. And here's a fun trivia. The name KURU TOGA comes from the Japanese words kuru, to turn, and toga, point. It literally means turning point, which perfectly describes its rotating lead technology. This design was actually created to solve a common problem artists face, uneven pencil tips that cause inconsistent lines. I hope this live sketching demo inspires you to explore tools that make art more enjoyable. The unique KURU TOGA mechanical magic pencil really shows how small innovations can make a big difference in our creative process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my portrait sketch of Mr. Lucio Cio, the owner and director of Pure Gold. Portrait sketching at Manila International Book Fair 2025 MIBF. Quick portrait sketching at Manila International Book Fair 2025 MIBF.